Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making pasta fagioli. For our ingredients, we have ground beef, an onion, celery, carrots, garlic cloves, a can of diced tomatoes with the juices, a can of crushed tomatoes, a can of red kidney beans drained, and a can of Great Northern beans. We have chicken broth, red wine vinegar, sugar, Italian seasoning, oregano, basil, red pepper flakes, which is optional. We have ditalene pasta and salt and pepper to taste. You want to add your beef to a soup pot or Dutch oven. You want to cook your beef over medium-high heat until brown, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. You don't want to drain your fat. Now I'm adding in my diced tomatoes, my white beans, my kidney beans. I am adding my crushed tomatoes, and I'm stirring that around. Here I'm adding in the chicken broth. Now I'm adding in my diced celery and my diced carrots. I'm adding my onions, and I am stirring that around. Now I'm adding in my seasonings, which is my basil, my Italian seasoning, my oregano, and my red pepper flakes. And I'm adding in a little bit of sugar. I'm going to mix all that together, and I'm going to let it come to a boil. Now I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer. Now that it has been simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to add in my pasta. And I'm going to stir that in. I'm going to let that cook until my pasta is tender. And now our pasta fagioli is ready. This was an easy and quick soup. We have made pasta fagioli. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.